Hey friends, welcome to another daily Bitcoin review. So today I got really interesting stuff for you guys. If you are trading or you are investing in a Bitcoin or you are any kind of involved inside of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you probably must watch this video. But most important, watch this video till the end because I'm going to use my technical analysis, and the technical analysis is something what you need to hear from the beginning to the end to not miss any kind of small information, and this information comes through your brain fully. So before beginning, I want to say that in trading I'm using a complex approach, a minimum 4 or 5 conditions should to match before I enter in trade. So let's go to the charts and let's break down the Bitcoin. So today I'm going to talk about a little bit global scenario, what I'm thinking about this structure of this full Bitcoin bear market, right? And I'm going to show you some interesting indicators, which one I really like it, and the scenario looks super bearish right now, and I'll explain you in a second why. So basically we have a ABC correction. Here's the ABC correction. If we take a Fibonacci, we can check the levels for wave C, wave A, wave B over here. So the minimum levels for wave C are 1.2. Those are the levels where the Bitcoin most likely comes, right? So if it touched the 1.2, this means that this is the wave C. So basically we didn't touch this level yet. It means that we are still in a bear market, and possibly we can touch this level. Still we can touch this level. So and to know what's going on and exactly will we touch, we need to break down this structure inside of this wave C. So here if we put the wave B, end of the wave B, and here's the beginning of the wave C. So let's deep dive a little bit in the smaller time frame, and let's break down this wave C. So we are clearly seeing that, let me delete, let's clean that one. Clearly can see that A, B, C, D, E, no, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 impulsive waves, A, B, C, D. So wave 3 confirms with the splash of volumes, the most high volumes in the wave 3. That's the confirmation of the impulse, right? After we are seeing some kind of correction over here, the correction confirms with divergence that the price is rising. Let me show you, the price is rising, the volumes are decreasing. That's a clear divergence, and that's the harmonious market moves, and mostly we are seeing such kind of things in the wave 4. And of course the wave 4 is the most manipulative wave and the most longest wave, as sometimes it takes like from 75 to 85% of whole impulse, right? So that's why right now we are so long time in this wave 4. We are seeing some kind of divergence, a lot of manipulation inside of this wave. So this is everything was expected, and I think the wave 4 moves super harmoniously right now. So let's check the levels for wave 4. Check the levels for wave 4 over here. So basically, if we take a Fibonacci put on the beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3, levels for wave 4 is 0.6, 0.5. Most likely price comes here, but minimum is 0.3. But let's mark the most likely price where it comes, right? So here we are in the zone of high attention right now already. So the zone of high attention of ending of the wave 4, and this wave 4 matched with the strongest resistance. That's really beautiful. And this everything I was talking about in the previous videos. And right now I want you guys be let's talk about a little bit about the MACD, and let's turn in the a little bit higher time frame. Let me put it like this, right? Let me clean this picture, and let's open the MACD. Here some beautiful things is going on, and this is something what you should not kind of ignore and never should to ignore. So basically MACD, we have some trend line over here. So indicator works super simple. When the columns, those columns are below the yellow trend line, it means it's short, right? When we are trading over that line, it means this is long. Below the trend line, this is signal that we are gonna drop. So basically this is the weekly time frame right now, guys. This is really important. Weekly time frame, it's in the MACD works super smoothly. And if you can see, let's check the previous action moves, and I'll show you how actually the MACDs works are really good. So basically here we are seeing some kind of impulse, right? Boom, impulse happened. Here's columns. We are trading below the trend line, right? yellow trend line. So we are shorting the market, go down, right? Here we catch some kind of dip, it's $70,000, right? Here the MACD start to turn, the columns start to decreasing over here. What happens? Price is rising, right? Volumes are decreasing, so we are trending over the trend line, right? If you long any time from these levels, it will be profitable. I mean, mostly you will you guess the right? So basically this is one of the indicator, guys. This is really important that you trade everything in complex, but this is, I'm showing you just one indicator, then it works really good in complex. So basically here we are, here we had like some columns down, and as we had once again, here's 15,000, around $70,000 you can long the market, 15,000 also you can long the market. So the volumes are step by step increasing, and we are trading over the trend line. So it means that it's longs. And what happened? Boom, it's happened, right? So basically such kind of crosses, as you can see over here, you see this cross, this is a really big sign on a weekly time frame. As higher time frame, the MACD works better and better. So basically what can we see right now? We are seeing that we are in a fourth wave right now, right? We touched that resistance level, the strongest resistance levels, matched with waves, matched with the candle analysis. Everything goes super harmonious. And boom, we are seeing this kind of cross line over here. Here the same, we had some kind of impulse, we was trading over that, and boom, we had the cross, and we have some deep corrections, right? And the same is going on right now. So basically this is why we're expecting some kind of huge movement down, because those columns are, we are losing the all money, we are losing the volumes, there's no volumes. As you see, as higher we're going, there's no volumes. This is also super strong condition. So basically our main target right now is a wave 5, and if it's happened over here as well, if you're going to check the weekly time frame, you can see these dojis. The body is the smaller than previous candle, and in the third sector, right? This is in the third sector. It has huge shadow up, right? And plus we are seeing that the volumes is more than in the previous one, and this means that someone disagreeing with this price. So we had some kind of impulse, someone stopped the price down, and most likely when it's matched with the zone of high attention, with MACD, with the waves, with fractals, with all other stuff, right? So that's why I'm talking about the complex approach. That time you can enter the trade, and this is already a very big sign. Yes, it is. If we're gonna break this impulse right now, yes, again, once again, listen to me right now very clearly. It is possible that we will go a little bit higher. We will touch once again these all-time highs, and after do some kind of reversal. It's really very possible. So that's why you should not all in over here, and you never should to all in whatever moves it is. It doesn't matter what other people saying. That in my comments also have some really smart people, like smart, we could say, that are saying that yeah, let's go, let's long the resistance and blah blah. But you guys, you are my community, the people who likes trading this successfully, and we are listening the market what is telling us, and we are carefully step by step moving forward. Do the proper risk management. This is really important. So basically, yeah, where we are expecting the price, I was talking about that many times, that I'm expecting the price by a technical analysis right now is, if you take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 1, end of the wave 3, and end of the wave 4, if it's happened over here, the levels for wave 5 is 0.6, and 0.6 matched with the wave C, right? This is also really good, and it means that our waves work super harmoniously. I don't know who is talking about I'm using waves right or wrong or whatever it is. You are seeing I'm breaking down everything by waves, and everything goes super smoothly. So basically, yeah, this is about the global scenario. This is where I'm expecting. This is zone of high attention, a global scenario, right? So let's deep dive inside the smaller time frame, and I'll show you why, guys. I'm still thinking that, not still thinking, it is possibility there that we will go once again higher, and I hope we will touch this this 32,000, because I got last short squeeze over there. I had over last short trigger over there. So basically, yeah. So if we're gonna break this impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the picture we are seeing. Let's change the color that you could understand here more clear. So basically, yeah, we have an impulse. What does it mean? It means 5 impulsive waves. All impulsive waves have 5 impulsive waves. So basically 1, 2, 3. Right now we are in 4th wave. it also confirms we are seeing some kind of bear flag. I will show you right now where it is, but let's first check the levels for wave 4. And one of the confirmation that we are in a wave 3 is the most impulsive wave. It always has the most high splash of volume, so this is also confirms that here we are seeing a lot of volumes. This is wave 3, right? Let's take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3, and the levels for wave 4, as I mentioned in the previous videos, is in the previous picture, and always I'm saying that 0.5, 0.6 is the most likely where the prices comes on the Bitcoin. So we exactly touched that levels and had some kind of reaction, but I still think that we are not end yet, and I'm expecting some kind of more price down, because I cannot break this wave on the structure. I cannot see there is not ABC, there's no A, B, C, D, E, but we are already step by step can see that there is some kind of a bear flag. I don't like patterns, but also I just keep in mind we can see this bear flag, this real clearly over here, right? Yeah, like that. So basically, yeah, we are seeing this bear flag, and the impulse came from up, right? From let me take this tool. We had an impulse, we have some kind of bear flag, so basically it's once again we can touch it and go higher as a last squeeze on the 32,000, right? So basically, yep, this is where I'm expecting the price, 0.5, 0.6. These are the levels. If you are longing and you want to scalp, this is really pretty solid trade, you can take it, but wait, let's enter first in this zone, let's see other confirmation. And of course you can enter my Telegram club, because I'm giving you here all the signals about the market. And if there will be something, I will straightly post it over here, and you can open the trade if we will see some enough confirmation over that level. But this is the level where you want to have a business with Bitcoin. Actually, if we also open the VRVP, we clearly can see over here that VRVP is like a horizontal volumes is the same volumes that is more exactly showing you where was the most many trades opened, right? So basically this 0.5, 0.6 matched with also with this VRVP over here. We have a lot of kind of trade, right? A lot of volumes on it, $28,000. So basically, yeah, it's most likely that as we will touch these levels, this mountain right over here, we will see some kind of volumes, and that will be already like kind of I think that will be already harmonious, because here we are seeing some kind of volumes. And for wave 4, wave 4 confirms with divergency, right? So basically we should to see that price is decreasing and volumes should to increasing, right? So basically, yeah, that's why I'm expecting over this level here some kind of splash of price. First of all, we will see some kind of bounce. I don't know what kind of bounce. It will be on 30,000 after we will go lower or something like that. No one knows about that, but I highly suggest to open the longs over here and close it on 30,000. That's all. That's your trade, right? Basically, even I would suggest you, if there had some, if you open some longs and you had some kind of bounce, just cut it, just take your profits and try to not wait, because we are really in the really strongest support on the higher time frame. So that's why you should to be cautious, right? So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that a wave 4 is very manipulative wave. So basically here we can marinate, I don't know, like fucking like months even, or 2 or weeks or whatever it takes, right? Because wave 4 is the longest wave in the 5 impulsive waves. So basically here it's possible that we will see such kind of picture, something, or maybe we will go lower and after we'll see some kind of movement, because I think it's time already for the Bitcoin to decide whether to change the trend or we're gonna broke this 32,000. Let's see. Nothing confirms about the by technical analysis, nothing saying that it's gonna be some kind of this levels broke or some breaking or something like that. Nothing. All the technical analysis is screaming to short the fucking market. That's all, and this is what I believe. And what is BlackRock saying or other opinions, we don't care about that. So guys, if you like my technical analysis, if you like my content, please and you can subscribe to my channel, enter to my Telegram club. Here I'm giving all my trading strategies, trading tips, my signals, everything is over here. So thank you so much for each one of you. I'm repeating in every video because I want to thank you, each one of you, those people who is subscribing me right now, putting some comments, pressing the likes, and it motivates me a lot to create for you crazy cool content. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.